Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar, a great song from Miley Cyrus, Younger Me, and this is from the Hannah Montana 20th anniversary special song. So, Younger Me, that's what we're going to look into. And as you can see, cape on second, absolute best scenario in my opinion, if you want to have easiest way possible to play these chords with this picking pattern. And in the end of the tutorial, we're going to learn how to play it with strumming as well, so a little bit easier. Now, setup is done, capo on second. Now let's go over the chords, and we have 6 different chords to handle here. The chords will be G to start with, so that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next up is the D sus4/F sharp. So it goes with the F sharp note there, 2nd fret E string, and then with that finger I mute the next string. You can have it open as well if you want to. The open A, and then open D, then 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We've got the C. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The exact same grip at C, you just slide up to this position, and that is the D add 4. So that means you're going to play 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, and 3rd B. So both E strings here, try to stay away from them, and that will be the D add 4. And finally we have the G B chord, okay? And it goes 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so there we have all the chords. Now let's learn the patterns to play them. So the first chord, G, goes like this. Okay, so you need to hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass and the 3rd fret B. That's all you need to hold to handle the picking patterns, and that will be 3rd E in the bass, then open G, 3rd B, open D, and open G. So one round. I usually play 2 rounds, so alright, and you will notice that the patterns are pretty much the same for all these chords, just different grips. And yeah, next chord will be the D sus/F sharp, like this. So you're gonna play that part. So 2nd fret E string in the bass, then 2nd G, 3rd B, open D, and 2nd G. Then we have the E minor part, and for this picking pattern you just hold the 2nd fret D string. That's enough, and you're gonna play. So that is open E string in the bass, then open G, then open high E, 2nd D, and open G. And then we have the C. Here you have to hold the full chord as it is, and you're gonna play 3rd A, open G, 1st B, 2nd D, and open G. Then we have the D add. Remember, you just slide up with the same grip at this position, and you're gonna play. So that is 5th fret A, 4th D, 3rd B, back to 4th D, and open G. And then finally we have the GB. So that is played 2nd fret A, open G, third B, open D, and open G. And there we have all the 6 chords with the picking pattern. Now let's go into the actual song and learn it. So we have the verse play. What you're going to play here is G, 2, D, F, the D sus/F sharp, 2, then E minor 2, and C2. You're going to play this for 2 rounds. So 1 round slowly goes like this. You learn the patterns, and gradually, when you're comfortable with them, you can speed up. But practice slowly. That is 1 chord progression round. Like I said, 2 rounds of that, and that will be the first verse. Then at 41 seconds in, starts the chorus, and we have this lyric somewhere along the way. That's where on the lyrics. You're gonna play first C2, then G2, then the D add 2, and E minor 2. That's the first half of it. Then the second half will be C2, GB2, then the D add 2 plus 1 down, or just the bass note, and a pause. And the pause, the length of it is as if you would play 4 full rounds, but you just play 2 rounds plus 1 extra down on that, and a pause. And yeah, that's it for this first round. Then we're gonna jump back into the second verse, and what you're gonna play there is just exactly the same as you just learned. So no changes there. It's played exactly the same way as the first verse. The second chorus, then the only difference there happens in the last chord, the D add 4. Instead of having that 2 plus 1 down in the pause, you play 4 full rounds. And that's the second chorus. Otherwise, it's exactly the same as the first one. Then after that comes the bridge part. It happens about 1 minute and 53 seconds in. Lyrics, oh, 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 and so on. So what you're going to play there is the exact same thing as you just learned the second chorus with that D add 4 string rounds or picking rounds in the end. So that is just that. And then after that, you have the outro part left. And yeah, you're going to play 2 rounds of that verse play. That means the first round is just play 1 down per chord. Just to have this 1 down, slow and easy with pauses in between. And the second round, you're going to play picking or strumming. That will be the end of it, all right? I promise you, I'm going to show you how you play with strumming as well. So we have the song behind us now. You know all the parts and how it goes. And you're going to follow exact same numbers when it comes to strumming your rounds, okay? So pretty much 2 on all chords almost. And yeah, the strumming goes like this for G. That is the closest thing we come to play the picking pattern, but with strumming. So what you do here is 2 downs, and then up, down, up. I like to play the first down on the bass string, and the second down, I answer a little bit on the higher strings down here. So bass, top, and then up, down, up. So a couple rounds. And there we have it, guys. That is Miley Cyrus. Younger Me is from the Hannah Montana show. So yeah, if you love this song, this is a great song. Fits guitar obviously very well. So if you want to support me, I work for you guys. I hope you give something back to me. So like a thumb up or comment, or just subscribe to this channel if I haven't yet. What are you waiting for? And be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.